Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. It's me, your girl, your natural hair superstar. If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome, and thank you very much for joining. But if you're my returning supporter, day one subscriber, I so much appreciate you for coming back. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing POTIENT hair growth oil that is made using reachable and affordable natural ingredients that are available, and you can make them at home. This hair growth oil is very potent, and it's going to grow your hair longer, healthier, thicker, and voluminous. So if your hair is stagnant or it's not growing, or you need you need to adjust this hair oil to your regimen, guys. It's going to leave your hair very soft, guys, and it's also going to stimulate insane hair growth, and it's also going to lock in moisture, guys. It's perfect for hair stimulation. As usual, it's me, Maryam Kapama. Welcome to my channel, and here I share DIYs of natural ingredients that's going to help you grow your hair healthier, longer, and voluminous. So you like what you see, be sure to click the subscribe button with the notification bell so get notified every time I do an upload in the future, guys. Today I'm here with powerful ingredients that are going to stimulate your hair growth insanely, guys. These ingredients, they are available to your local stores. You can get these ingredients to local markets, and also I'm gonna need moringa leaf powder. Moringa is an excellent hair growth oil, guys. Moringa is one of the most important herb when it comes to boosting hair growth. Moringa contains a lot of vitamins. Contains vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C. It has these fatty acids, omega fatty acids, which are all good nutrients to nourish your hair, guys. It's also going to promote hair growth, as I said before, because here vitamin A plays a crucial role when it comes to hair development and nourishment. Also, this next ingredients your hair will need is cloves. Cloves is amazing, guys. I've done a lot of videos concerning clove. Clove contain high level of antioxidant and nutrients that can add to hair growth and strengthening of your hair. So you're going to have strengthened hair shafts. They can also be used to protecting your scalp from stuffs like dandruff, which actually the major cause of wig and hair thinning. Here we are using clove, like a half tablespoon to a heat-proof jar. We are going to use double boiler method in this. Also, here we are using coffee. Coffee is excellent when it comes to promoting softer and shinier hair, guys. Coffee is excellent. It contains flavonoid, which are an antioxidant, and that are going to improve hair regeneration. They're also going to reduce frizzy and results to soft hair and easier to manage hair. So your hair is going to be manageable at the end of using this oil, guys. This oil is high potent. And another pro tip here is using these dark herbs like coffee and black tea and cloves. These dark ingredients, they are very excellent when it comes to stimulating hair growth, and also when it comes to thickening the hair. So if your goal is to grow your hair thicker and voluminous, then you need to concentrate more on these darker herbs. Also, this olive oil has mega benefit when it comes to the hair. It's a lightweight and it's penetrating to your hair and scalp easier, so your hair is going to get the nutrients on a deeper level. It's not only going to sit on your scalp, it's going to penetrate further to your scalp, hence proper cell regeneration, and also it's going to stimulate insane hair growth. That's why I keep repeating the word. It's going to grow your hair like crazy, guys. These ingredients are fire. It's a powerhouse. They are packed with all these goodies. So After everything is mixed in a heat-proof jar, we are taking this jar to boiling water. We are using double boiler method to boil this POTIENT hair growth oil. This is how we are infusing this oil. If you have enough time, you can leave it, just put it to a place where it has access to the sun and leave it to infuse for a couple weeks. But if you have no couple weeks, you can use this express method where you use it double boiler method to let the oil get the nutrients by infusing. Personally, I used like 1 hour and 30 minutes to infuse this oil in boiling water, and as you can see, the oil is darker because most of the ingredients are infused, guys. So when everything is infused and you have all those, you're going to reap all those benefits of these potent herbs that I mentioned earlier. We are moving on to the next procedure, which is straining. It's important that we strain because moringa particles are not going to stay behind, they're going to stuck on your hair. So to strain properly, you can use something with tiny holes, or you can fold a piece of cloth like 4 times just to make layers in order to avoid those particles to go through. Here I'm using a piece of cloth to help the oil strain without any particles going through, like the coffee particles and also the moringa particles. You can also grate your cloves just to use the particles as well, but I use the way they are. So with the help of heat, they have also infused well as well, but you can also grind them. So I'm going to squeeze the oil out gently and harvesting all the good nutrients in the oil. As you can see, previously the oil was green from olive oil, and now it's dark, like it has the nutrients. You can leave it longer, as long as depending with how potent you want it to be, but at this point you have high-end potent infused herbal oil. This is incredible when it comes to stimulating hair growth, guys. I'm repeating myself because it works. Here in this video, I'm going to show you true testimony with hair growth vividity example here on camera, results caught on camera, guys. After you have strained your oil, be sure to put it on your applicator bottle where you can store it, guys. So carefully, you can also use a funnel, but this is what we have. The oil is so potent. You can feel free to adjust your measurements according to how you want them. I make my oils every week because I have no preservatives, but this oil can last you to 6 months. So feel free to make more, because I'm making small amount because I make oil for my hair in this channel and I use them on my hair directly. So I'm making reasonable amount because I have oils, guys. But choose one of the ingredients that works for you in one of my DIYs and stick to that. As you can see, my last video is 1 week. Yeah, 1 week now, as I'm shooting 1 week exactly, but as I'm posting it will be like 2 weeks. So here my hair was well did this protective style, as you've seen in my other rinse video. I did the hair rinse before going in with this style, but 1 week of using this oil, this is the growth, guys. You can tell there's a lot of growth, especially at the back where I have the twist. The front, yes, also so much growth, but the secret here is the hair growth oil, guys. How I use it: firstly, I go in with that leave-in conditioner that I made the other day. I'm also going to attach the video here in the cards, and also I'm going to leave it down in the description box for you superstar to go check it. If you're getting values, be sure to click the like button just to help me reach more people in order to share this goodness with them as well. Guys, make sure your hair is saturated with moisture. Moisture or water is the only thing that's going to hydrate your hair on a deeper level. So be sure to go in with this leave-in conditioner that I made here, or you can go in with water, but if you have infused herb water, it's the best. Or you can go in with floral water as well. It also has maximum benefits. So when your hair is saturated with water, go in and massage. Make sure every strand is moisturized with water. Then take your hair growth oil. You see them on the screen. That's how much I'm packing this oil to my scalp. And I do this every 2 days nearly, because my hair dries out fast. I don't know why. It dries out faster. So whenever it dries, I go in with the oil. As I apply the oil to the lines, I massage them thoroughly, including the edges, guys, using the pad of my fingers gently and carefully, making sure the scalp is well oiled. Going in as well in the back section, making sure the scalp is coated with the hair growth oil, guys. Thoroughly going in with the pad of my finger and massaging them gently. Here, I take my time with this process because it's very important that I massage my scalp. It's going to help with stimulation of blood flow, hence hair growth as well. Here's my spoiler alert for my next video, guys. I made this awesome hair butter here on my channel. Be sure to subscribe and with the notification bell so don't get notified whenever I post, guys. It's very, very, very good butter. It's made with Ayurvedic herbs, and it's so potent. Locking in the moisture with the butter on the hair is the best thing you can do to retain moisture and also to retain length. So locking in gently, and also I'm storing my hair. Look at that hair, guys. Very moisturized. Here I'm good to go for another week, or if it dries in between, I'm also going to refresh it again. I'm going to leave you here with a video where you are going to make your own hair growth oil. If you don't have access to these ingredients, I have made couple oils in my channel and I'm going to share them here on the screen. So be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below, and be sure to check the description box so that you get to follow me on all my social media accounts. I hope this video was helpful, and until next time, I'm going to see you guys in the video here on the screen.